Another story time video, and itong mga clips na to magwa 1 year na siya. This is one of my biggest event of the year last 2023. This is the Aura event of Vice Cosmetics in sa may poblasyon to, pero nakalimutan ko na. But lagi siyang pinaganapan ng mga events ng brands. And this is me eating. Actually, I could have done better with this look if nagpa-wax ako ng aking underarms and then I have a lace front wig. Kasi tama yung wig ko dyan, nakakaloka. But again, this is the launching event ng kanilang Aura collection, which are the contours, blushes, and highlights, and also their lit up tri palette and soft case eyeshadow quad. Yung outfit ko with this is inspired sa Versace na outfit. And then I also have a pink heels dyan. Like, pasabog siya. I mean, maganda siya. But kita mo naman yung braso ko, ang balahibo, sis. Nakakaloka. Sana man lang nagpa-wax ako that time. And kita yung patilya ko sa wig. Piste, uy! But this event, like, one big event for me. Super happy ko with this one. The way I got here, nakakaloka din siya because sumakay ako sa sasakyan na habal-habal ba yun? Pero sasakyan, habal car. Hindi ko siya kilala, hindi rin kasi ako makabook sa Grab and Angkas that time. So yun, buti na lang may nag-offer talaga ng sakay. At ang dami kong na-meet dito na content creators na, as in big content creators din. Ito yung POV ko during the event. Hi to Brenda, Gondal Nina, and Gondal Jai. Hi Gondal Nina, we miss you po. Super saya ko talaga dito, promise, I swear. Paulit-ulit ng saya because it's really a moment na ma-experience ko yung mga gantong bagay. And this is me retouching my blush with their new blushes. I think I'm using the Soft Mauve. Diba? Ang fresh ko dyan, ang babaeng babae. But yung wig ko lang talaga, it's like, boom chikalaka. Wala pa akong lace front that time. So, yun. Yan talaga yung ginamit ko. And hi to my event buddies, Miss Mati, Mami Marian, and Rain. And this is me. Medyo tapos na ata yung event dito. Onti na lang yung mga tao dyan at that time. So, walk ako sa mga stage. So, aura-aura ko. As in, tinapos ko rin talaga yung whole event because first time ko nga na makarating sa gantong big event that year. So, tinapos ko talaga siya and from Laguna pa ako. Sayang naman kung hindi ko talaga siya tatapusin. Pero, tingnan mo, ang ganda talaga ng fit ko dyan. Actually, gusto ko tong isuot ulit for another time with another wig, accessories, para pasabog. Like, this is me doing the fit check of it. Alam nyo, after this event, the My Raining in Manila story starts. Kasi wala akong mabook na angkas going to One Ayala because at that time, malakas yung ulan. And fortunately, tumila na siya after the event. But basa pa rin yung mga daan. And gabi na yon. So nilakad ko talaga yung Ayala Circle. Nakarating ako kung saan-saan. But it was an experience. Buti na lang talaga hindi ako napaano or what. And then, ayun, nagstay na lang ako sa 7-Eleven sa may Ayala Circle. And then nakapag-book ako ng angkas 1 p.m. in the morning. 1 a.m. in the morning. And then dun ako sa SM Cyber Makati. And then, nag-intay lang ako na maging available na yung EDSA Carousel. Then, nakarating na ako sa One Ayala Station, which I'm super happy. Tapos, wala pang point-to-point bus at that time kasi super early lang from Calamba, going to Calamba. But, meron ng to San Pedro, Laguna. So, pumunta na ako doon. And I am very happy talaga with this event. This is such an experience and I will never forget this day. Thank you!